Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
First up this evening, more charges pending. That declaration from the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC after 9 of its drivers have been charged in connection with offenses relating to the alleged misappropriation of fares and failure to issue tickets to passengers.
Now this involves over 100 counts for failure to issue tickets to passengers. Ramarda Lyons has the details.
Drivers of these buses have been taking commuters across the island for years. Now, some of them are going to court. Multiple counts of embezzlement. 106 counts for failure to issue tickets to passengers. 9 drivers assigned to multiple depots for JUTC are at the center of these charges, now with a ticket to see a judge at the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court come April 21. And the company says more charges could come crashing in as a police probe continues. The drivers were charged between March 18 to March 26, 2026. The alleged offenses occurred across multiple dates in February and March 2026. JUTC says it has since strengthened its internal systems. I submitted a list of questions to the company's communications manager, Chantal Thompson, following the charges. Question 1. What specific monitoring systems has the company implemented or upgraded? In a written response, Ms. Thompson said, quote, "This includes closer alignment between daily cash collections and expected route revenue, as well as improved depot-level monitoring and reconciliation processes." End quote. She said, quote, "The majority of JUTC buses are equipped with onboard cameras, which serve as an additional layer of oversight and accountability. These systems support both operational monitoring and investigative reviews where necessary." End quote. She added that the company also continues to advance its transition towards cashless systems such as SmartFare, which significantly reduces opportunities for manual interference. Is there real-time monitoring or are audits conducted after? Ms. Thompson said JUTC utilizes a hybrid approach. While some elements such as supervisory checks, commuter reports, and camera monitoring provide near real-time insights, formal audits and reconciliations are conducted daily and periodically to identify trends and anomalies. What safeguards are in place to prevent drivers from bypassing ticket issuance? Ms. Thompson pointed to mandatory ticket issuance policies with strict accountability measures, random spot checks and en route inspections, and public education encouraging commuters to request and retain tickets. Now, preliminary internal analysis indicates a notable increase in fare revenue collection in the days following the arrests. At the Portmore Depot, there's an increase of approximately $1.23 million. At the Spanish Town Depot, $482,000. Rockfort, $619,000. When asked how much money JUTC lost, Ms. Thompson said revenue increased by $3.5 million in 1 week after the 9 drivers were charged. Now finally, what disciplinary systems are in place for breaches? Ms. Thompson said these are guided by the company's internal policies and may include formal warnings and suspension, termination of employment, or referral to law enforcement authorities where criminal conduct is suspected. Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.